Oh, windy. Oh, I missed it. Stupid camera. Please. Whoa, that was so not cool. This is not tough. There was big ones, y'all, I promise. I promise I'm not lying, there is. Oh. Oh. This isn't looking very tough, Mum. Do you guys celebrate light thing? Oh, I missed it! I missed it! That is so sad. That is not tough. Do you guys follow? Oh, I missed it again! Okay, no, stop talking now, just look. Come on now. It looks pitch black, guys, but I'm in my garden trying to record a stupid video. I missed it. Happy... What's it called, Mum? Bonfire night. Happy bonfire night. If you guys celebrate it. This is not tough. I thought I was gonna look at. Why? Oh, did you see that? Whoa, that was cool. It was like stars falling from the sky. Don't hire me for a cameraman or a camera girl. That was a good one. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Oh, that was a good one. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder. I'm not pointing the camera at anyone's houses. I don't want to, you know, show y'all's. I don't know. It's dark, so I don't want to sit down, but I also feel like sitting down might be a better idea. Okay. Can you guys see even the sky? It's really pitch black. I'm not even sure if you guys can see. Oh, that was so not tough. Again? I swear there was one over there and it went pum pum. That big. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, I didn't see it myself. I didn't even see it myself. The stupid camera saw it. Again? Whoa, I like that one. It's not tough because I saw a big one. Whoa, I like the colour blue. Again, please. Mum, come and sit here. If you always wanna be in the video, come and post it. Anything you wanna say to the Libby fans? No? Sure? Sure? Okay.
Stripped on me.
A raindrop, Mum. Don't swear in my video, Mum. I'm family friendly. Bumhole. Again. This is so not tough because I saw a big one and I thought I'd get one on camera. And I'm recording on my crusty dusty iPad, so it's not the best view, but it's okay. Wait, you need to clean the lenses. How do you clean the lenses? Wait, where is the lens? I'm confused. Oh, here we go. I found it. Hold on, you're gonna see my finger a sec. There you go. Oh, I missed it. Whoa! Ah, my eardrums! Oh, my eardrums again! Ah. Jesus Christ! This is tough! Mom, you're hurting my ears! Whoa! Ah, my eardrums! Ah, that is so tough! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I'm getting this on camera, Mum. This is incredible. Look at it. I feel like flossing. Whoa! Jesus! Oh, my eardrums! My eardrums!
That's it. I mean, that was probably definitely it.
And that's probably definitely the last one. Right, yeah, I'm gonna sit in my house. I'm just gonna sit. Mum, you squeeze my ears. When I said to hold my